Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have never seen me before, if it's your first time coming through this channel, welcome. My name is Pam and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys another headband wig. So you guys know, if you have been following me for a while, I love headband wigs and I just love them. Like, I can't even explain it. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys another headband wig from LUVMEHAIR.com. This is how their packaging comes. I have shared another headband wig again from the same company, which I love and I'm still rocking up to now. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the packaging. So you get this cute little bag over here. It has some eyelashes that they are included in there, and you have a scrunchie, and you have some nails. I love the idea of the nails because I wear press-on nails most of the time. So these are festive season themed, so I loved that when they sent me the hair. I also got some earrings, even though I am not pierced, but they're gonna be passed along. And I also got this, I am not sure what this is, but we're gonna find out. So I also got these headbands over here in different colors. So we're just gonna get straight into the hair, and this is how it's packaged. So this headband wig is called the Jerry Curl Affordable Headband Wig, and it comes in 22 inches. So let me just show you guys how it is before I do anything to it. It's a 22 inch, like I said, and it says 22 inch. The way I see it, it says 22 inch. So it comes in a 22 inch, and all the details will be in the description box down below. Alright you guys, so right now this is the texture of the hair. The curls are just nice, and oh my goodness, look at that guys. And right now I haven't done anything to the hair, but look at the curl. Did y'all see the curls? Look at that, beautiful. So I'm just gonna put it on and see how we can style it. Alright, so you got two combs over there. You got your headband thingy that you use, and you got another comb over there to use to secure your wig. So I'm just gonna put it on right now. So right now I haven't done anything to it, so this is how the curls are looking. So let's just spray some water so that you guys can see how it looks with water, and then we're gonna comb one side so that you guys can see how it looks from this side to the other side. So I'm gonna use the scrunchie to just put away this side of the hair so that I can show you guys how it looks on this side when I spray some water. So I'm just gonna spray some water and try to comb the curls out using my Denman brush over here. So I'm combing it out guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It's gonna get so big. I'm just gonna be very careful with combing it out because I know it can get so big. Oh my goodness. I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do some of them with my hands, because I know the Denman brush can get the hair like so big. So I'm gonna use my hands, spray and use my hands. Oh my God, guys. I love it. Like, oh my goodness, this is pretty. All right, you guys, so I combed out this side as you saw me do. So this is how this side is looking right now, and this is the uncombed side. Honey. All right, let's just continue combing the other side. I haven't seen any shedding yet, and my hands have been going through, and I haven't seen any shading yet, because that's something that a lot of people would be worried about. So this is good. So combed side and combed side. Do y'all see that? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to comb this side as well. I feel like this is the biggest I can go, but guess what? You still have some curls. You still have some curls that you can go ahead and keep stretching, you know? You can even use your hands, like I said. You can use your hands, and the comb is passing through. It just feels like it's growing from my head. Feels like that.
Over here, I'm just showing you guys a closer look when I do the wet look, add some water and try to finger detangle, you know, it looks so good, guys. So in the next clips, I'm going to show you guys how you can style this hair. I have previously shared this, but I just wanted to make this nice and cute for y'all so that you know that you can style this hair in so many ways. So here is style number 1. This is one of the many easy ways that you can style this headband wig. You just put on the headband and just let it flow. Let the hair flow and just be free, baby girl. Be free. Or style number 2, it's a half up, half down. So you just put the hair up and leave a little bit down, and it looks super cute, guys. Beautiful, and just throw in the headband. So for style number 3, it is so perfect when you're going running, when you're going jogging, or going to the gym. You just put it up. It looks like a messy bun kind of situation. This is so beautiful, and it's not in your face when you're working out. It's just perfect for a day when you don't want your hair in your face. For style number 4, you just push all the hair on the side. It just makes you look sophisticated, like somebody who knows exactly what they're doing and they are ready to conquer the world, guys. This is so beautiful. It just makes me so happy. I love it when I wear it on the side like this. Beautiful. For style number 5, it is completely the same as style number 1, but I just wanted to include that headband over there. It's a polka dot headband. It's one of my favorites, and let you guys know that you have so many options to style this hair.
Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I just love that I managed to share with you guys different hairstyles that you can rock this hair with. It is beautiful hair, you guys. Beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so happy that you are around. Thank you for for the good year, for all those who are always supporting, and I'm just wishing you guys and your families happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Probably not next year, but I'll try, you know what I mean? So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.